Hey, it is the 12 fiber gifts of Christmas here at the Woolery, and it is week 9. What that means, not to alarm anyone, is that there are only 12 days left until Christmas. And that's really scary. I hope that you are more well prepared than I am, because I'm still not. Every week I'm not prepared. We want to help y'all be much more put together and ready for gift giving. So we're going to do another great gift this week. This one is probably my favorite of all the fiber gifts we have to offer. So let's get a look at it. It is, ta-da, a beautiful, beautiful market basket. These are hand woven in Ghana, and the purchase price of these goes towards the weavers, the ladies who weave these baskets, and it helps with school supplies and everyday necessities and health care, which is really important. So the background of these is wonderful, and the actual product is also wonderful. One thing that we want everybody to know before you hop online to buy these, which I'm going to, is that these do come from Ghana, and we don't know what colors we're going to get, and Christmas is really busy around here. So when you order these, you cannot pick your colors, and these are just some samples of what we have. We have all kinds, but they're all beautiful. They've all got this really nice wrapped leather handle, all of them do, and they're all bound at the top, so there's nothing, it's not going to fray or fall apart, and they've got really nice sturdy flat bottoms, but they are all different colors, and we will pick for you and send it to you, and hopefully it's a really great surprise, and you are delighted when you open your package. So it'll be a surprise for you and for whoever you're giving it to, which is double surprise. It's kind of nice. But anyway, some of them are kind of neutral, striped, plaids, checks, all kinds of different patterns and colors, but they're all equally lovely and really, really high-end construction. So do a little good for yourself, do a little good for the gals in Ghana, and get yourself one of these great baskets for week number 9.